Hi, I'm Maitreyi Ramakrishnan. I play the character Devi Vishwakumar on Never Have I Ever. There is the UK family group chat, then there's the Dubai family group chat. When it comes to connecting with my family, I think especially in the peak of the pandemic, the WhatsApp chats were all popping. My grandma shows all the sass on that group chat, and she's just so she just loves her emojis. She tells a story through her emojis, and I've sat her down and I said, why did you use 6 different emojis here? She's like, no, first I laughed, then I cried a bit, got a little serious, then a little upset at you, but then I realized it's okay. So I used all those different emotions. When I was going through school, elementary, middle, and high school, there were so many people of all different backgrounds and cultures. So sometimes it felt so overwhelming that you're like, wait, where do I fit into this, story? So that was a journey for sure, growing up and understanding what Tamil identity is to me. And for me, that is knowing my history and just appreciating traditions. It's all about believable characters that are beyond just their culture. So often in stories do we have friends of different backgrounds and we can't double up. There can't be 2 Black friends. There can't be 2 East Asian friends. There can't be 2 South Asian friends. It'll be too confusing. But no one has ever said that about 2 white friends in the group, which makes no sense to me. So in that way, I think Never Have I Ever as a whole does a good job of making characters that are diverse, but also are more than just their culture. I would just say it is totally understandable, and I totally get why you might still be frustrated about representation, because I am. I'm still frustrated about it. I most definitely wouldn't say that we are perfect and that we are at a great point, but I guess I'll work damn hard to make it a relief eventually. Okay, wait, let's take a moment. WhatsApp replies, so good. But I do text a bunch of different thoughts when I could just put it all into one text. So it's nice when I can have them reply to the one, so I know exactly what they're talking about. But WhatsApp replies, ooh, efficient.